Next, I will explain to you the installation tutorial of LEGO NEOM McLaren Formula E Team 42169 and Light Kit. This tutorial is divided into 3 sections to complete the installation of the light group. You can adjust the playback speed suitable for you under the software. Section A. Check the type and quantity of components. Confirm the quantity according to the label on the upper right corner of the bag. Section B. Test that each component is working properly. Please prepare 3 AAA batteries if it is necessary to use the battery case. Take out the 4-socket expansion board. Take out A01003 light 15 cm red. Start the test. Please put the normal parts back into the bag temporarily after the test. Please test other components in the same way. LED strip test. Take out the bag labeled A01103 LED strip blue. Turn on the mobile power supply, the light will be on normally. If you encounter any problems during the test process, please contact the seller in time. Section C. Laying out components following the instruction. Take out A01101 LED strip red. Take out A01501 connecting cable 5 cm. Our material is very small but not fragile, just be reminded that don't to pull the wires too hard. Take out A01103 LED strip blue. Take out A01505 connecting cable 10 cm. Take out A01005 light 15 cm blue. Take out components. Note the cutout on the small round plate. The light wire is stuck in the cutout of the small round plate. Take out A01003 light 15 cm red. Take out components. Take out the 4-socket expansion board. We will show more similar products at the end of the video. If you like it, you can go to the store to buy it. Thank you for watching. We are also happy to see any comments and suggestions. If you encounter any problems during the installation process, please contact the seller in time. The installation is complete. Connect the power and try it.